Good day everyone. Hi, I'm Nestle Bibilio Kinusala, CAS 1B. So today I am going to show you how to calculate molecular formula. So this is the sample problem. So first, we should analyze the problem. We already know the given percent composition, which is the carbon with 75.95%, nitrogen with 17.72%, and hydrogen with 6.33%, and also the molar mass with 240 gram over mole. And so our unknown is molecular formula. So for number 2, solve for the unknown. I use the percents by mass as masses in grams and convert grams to moles by using a conversion factor, the inverse of molar mass that relates moles to mass. So 75.95 gram of carbon times 1 mole over 12.1 gram of carbon is equals to 6.323 mole carbon. To 17.72 gram nitrogen times 1 mole nitrogen over 14 gram nitrogen equals 1.265 mole nitrogen. 6.33 gram hydrogen times 1 mole hydrogen over 1.008 gram hydrogen equals 6.279 mole hydrogen. So next, I calculate the simplest ratio of moles of elements by dividing the moles of each element by the smallest value in the calculated mole ratio. So 6.323 mole carbon divided by 1.265 gram equals 5 mole carbon. Next is 1.265 mole nitrogen divided by 1.265 gram equals 1 mole nitrogen. Next, 6.279 mole hydrogen divided by 1.265 gram of hydrogen equals 5 mole hydrogen. So the empirical formula of dye is C5NH5. So I calculate the empirical formula of mass using the molar mass of each element. So 5 mole of carbon times 12 gram of carbon divided by 1 mole carbon is equals to 60.05. 1 mole of nitrogen times 14 gram of nitrogen divided by 1 mole nitrogen equals to 14. 5 mole of hydrogen times 1.008 gram of hydrogen divided by 1 mole hydrogen is equals to 5.04. So The total mass values of molar mass C5 and H5 is 79.09. So after that, I divided the experimentally determined molar mass of dye by the mass of empirical formula that determined N. So N is equals to 240 gram over mole divided by 79.09 is equals to 3.034. And then, I multiply the subscripts in the empirical formula by 3 to determine the actual subscript in molecular formula. So 3 times C5 and H5 is equals to C15 and 3 H15. So the molecular formula of dye is C15 and 3 H15. To evaluate the answer, the calculation of the molar mass from the molecular formula gives the same result as the given experimentally determined molar mass. So, this is the overview of the solution. That's all. Thank you for watching.